thunder, we have rain too. And it only lasts a couple of 3 hours and then it's gone. And this is after that lovely sunny day you had the day before. But by this afternoon it'll all be gone. So when there's the next crack of thunder or downpour of rain, I'll home you in on this drain here and you can see it gushing out. As you can see, the wind is picking up now. The storm is actually out the front of the house, but there's nowhere I can get out there under cover, so I'm afraid you'll have to have it out the back. It's a bit lighter out here, but out the front it's actually pitch black. We've just had a big storm up at Broome, top of Australia, before last week before this, and it was a what's it called? Not a typhoon, like a big hurricane type thing. I can't remember what they call it. Whirlwind things, and apparently it wiped out a hell of a lot of houses and that. No people were killed, luckily. But the aftermath of it has caused horrific flooding, and it was a category 5, the worst one you can get.